Matcha roll cake, a classic Japanese dessert. Japan is known for its unique and delicious cuisine. From sushi to ramen, Japanese cuisine has something for everyone. One of the most popular desserts in Japan is the matcha roll cake. This matcha roll cake, also known as matcha Swiss roll, is a type of sponge cake that is rolled with a creamy filling. The cake is known for its vibrant green color and unique flavor. Matcha powder. To make matcha roll cake, the cake batter is prepared using ingredients such as eggs, sugar, flour, and baking powder. Matcha powder is then added to the batter, giving it its signature grey. Matcha roll cake is a popular dessert in Japan and is often served at special occasions such as weddings and birthdays. It is also a popular dessert in Japanese bakeries and cafes, where it. In addition to its delicious taste, matcha roll cake is also a healthy dessert option. Matcha powder is a rich source of antioxidants, which help to protect the body against free radicals and. Matcha roll cake is not just popular in Japan, but also gaining popularity around the world. It has become a trendy dessert in many countries, including the United States, where it is common. If you are interested in making matcha roll cake at home, there are many recipes available online. While the recipe may seem intimidating at first, with a little practice, anyone can make th. In addition to being a tasty dessert, matcha roll cake also has cultural significance in Japan. Green tea is an important part of Japanese culture and is often used in traditional tea ceremony. Matcha roll cake is a versatile dessert that can be customized to suit different tastes. While the classic recipe uses a whipped cream and sweetened condensed milk filling, there are many There are also variations in the texture of the cake itself. Some recipes use a denser sponge cake, while others use a lighter, airier sponge cake. The type of flour used can also affect the. Matcha roll cake is often served with a cup of green tea, which complements the cake's flavor and provides a refreshing contrast to its sweetness. In Japan, it is common to serve matcha roll. In addition to being a delicious dessert, matcha roll cake is also a popular gift in Japan. It is often given as a gift during special occasions, such as weddings or graduations. The cakes. One interesting fact about matcha roll cake is that it has a long history in Japan. Cake-making techniques were introduced to Japan in the 19th century, and matcha roll cake became popular. In recent years, matcha roll cake has also gained popularity among health-conscious individuals. Matcha powder is known for its health benefits, including its high concentration of antioxidants. Matcha roll cake is also a dessert that can be enjoyed year-round. In Japan, it is commonly served during the spring and summer months, when the weather is warm and people are in the mood for. In addition to being a dessert, matcha roll cake has also found its way into other culinary creations. Some chefs have incorporated matcha roll cake into their dishes to add a unique twist. Matcha roll cake has also inspired new creations, such as matcha roll cake cupcakes and cake pops. These bite-sized treats are perfect for parties or as a quick snack. For those who are not familiar with matcha roll cake, it can be a fun and unique experience to try. The cake's vibrant green color and distinct flavor make it stand out from other desserts. Besides being a delicious dessert, matcha roll cake also has some interesting cultural significance in Japan. The cake is often used in traditional Japanese tea ceremonies, which are steeped